Hi everyone, it's Joel from Blizzard Lighting, and today we're diving into the new modular marvel for stage and event lighting. Versatile, buildable, and visually stunning, the Nexys Series features a trio of FX lights for captivating visual arrays. Ah, it's beautiful. All right. If you can dream it, you can build it with the Nexys Series. Designed to be modular and infinitely customizable, its unique hexagonal shape makes it easy to build arrays in any direction, horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, and design combinations and patterns to suit your vision. All right, let's jump into it. First up is Nexys Flux, the flashiest of the bunch. With its 80-watt LED and 6 individually controllable RGB pixel rings, you're looking at dynamic, contrasting color effects that are bound to make a statement. This specific model also boasts a vintage ambience thanks to its 2000K warm white LED that acts as a retro strobe / blinder with a broad 120-degree beam. Moving along, Nexys RGBW is an artist's dream. Make your own custom blends with the RGBW color mixing beam in the main 40-watt LED, and then layer in more dimensions with its 6-pixel RGB diffused ring and RGB backlight for unparalleled visual effects. And last but certainly not least is the Nexys Warm White. This ultra-bright 32K wash light is perfect for lighting up any space, with the bonus option to spice things up thanks to its RGB diffused outer ring, internal RGB backlight, and strobe effects. Whether you're a professional lighting designer or just love creating unique lighting experiences, the Nexys Series gives you the power to dream and build stunning visual displays. All right, we've covered a lot in this video, but if you're still hungry for more, please visit www.blizzardpro.com and search for Nexys. There, you can find all the specs, user manuals, cut sheets, and pricing information for these new products. For more hands-on videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.